Most Nintendo Switch 2 cases force you to compromise docking, charging, grip comfort. You lose something. This one right here, you don't. Every Switch owner knows the pain. You want protection, but suddenly you can't dock. You want grips, but charging becomes awkward. You detach Joy-Cons and your protection disappears. That's the problem the COOWPS P2 set out to fix. This is the feature that sold me immediately. The built-in neodymium magnets let you attach a magnetic power bank to your system. But what I have, and I use all the time, is a magnetic fan that allows me to keep my system frosty. No cables, no clutter, no stress on the USB port. You can literally charge while you are playing. Here's what most cases can't do. This one slides straight into the official dock. No forcing it, no removing anything, no compromises. Look at that. When you detach the controllers, the protection stays. It doesn't come off. So the Joy-Cons are still protected. Your console is still protected. And tabletop mode is protected and activated as well. Over 4,000 micro textured grip points, ergonomics based on thousands of hands. So what does that mean? That means less fatigue, more comfort, and longer gaming sessions. 12 game card slots. Integrated kickstand, lightweight and durable. This is a travel-ready setup. The COOWPS is launching this on Kickstarter with early bird pricing. And if you're watching this early, this is the best price it'll ever be. I don't put products on my channel unless they actually solve problems. COOWPS didn't just make a case, they listened to the gamers and engineered around real world use. If you want protection without compromise, this is definitely the one you should check out. If you want to take advantage of the Kickstarter campaign, the link will be in my description of my video.